Good afternoon, dear viewers. We're currently at the shooting range, underground, and I'll quickly explain how to zero the Defender 335 thermal scope with a rangefinder. I've made several videos on zeroing before, and today I want to explain the menu and also cover the zeroing process. A short video, a quick guide on how to do it. I've turned on the recording function. I press and hold the joystick, and the recording starts. To take a photo, just press the joystick briefly, and the picture is taken. On the screen in the video, you'll see interface on the left side, so it's easier for you to understand what I'm seeing. When I click the joystick towards myself, it turns on the rangefinder. Pulling the joystick towards myself turns on the ballistic calculator. Turning on and off, plus minus, that's zoom. You can see how the image is zooming in. In the center, the video photo function is activated. I press the quick menu button and it switches to the left functions. Pulling towards myself shows the picture-in-picture. Pulling away changes the palettes. Pulling up removes all the sensors. Pulling down removes the compass. In the center, it shows the coordinates of the scope and the rangefinder. When you aim and it shows the distance, it indicates where you hit along with the latitude and longitude of the impact point. Next, to exit from it, press button and it disappears. You can also lock the joystick. To lock it, you press the button once and then double click quickly. 1, 2, that's it. The joystick is not, it's a really handy feature so you don't accidentally press it. To unlock it, you press 1, 2. All right, the joystick is unlocked. Next, let's go into the menu. Press the joystick twice. We're now in the menu. You see 6 functions on the left side. The image settings, shooting modes, Wi-Fi connectivity options, and various sensor configurations are all part of that comprehensive system, including advanced options for image quality, shooting techniques, and network settings. In each main menu, there are detailed submenus that provide further customization and control options. These submenus offer a wide range of features and settings to explore. To enter the submenu, pull the joystick towards you, and you'll go into the submenu and click. To exit the submenu, you select the first submenu away from you, and you can click on the main menu again to close it completely, pulling it away from you, and it disappears. Now, let me quickly explain the top interface and what it means. I'm turning on the recording function from left to right. Geo is the height. Isio Nero is the latitude and longitude. The compass is working. 10x is the zoom, the magnification. The crossed out shape like a diamond is the Wi-Fi. Battery charge is at 17%, 1326 time, 0 degrees horizontal, 0 degrees vertically, 70.8 is the temperature, and 267 is the azimuth. 26 times 0 degrees is horizontal. Degrees vertically, 17.8 is the temperature, and 2167 is the azimuth. And in the center, there's the compass. So everything is right in front of you. If you don't need all these sensors, you can turn them off. You'll just have the time, Wi-Fi, and that's it. It's all pretty simple and straightforward. Now we're going to do the sighting. In this video, I'll quickly explain the process of how to easily sight in with just 2 shots, which is a useful technique for improving accuracy. To help you understand better, I'm turning on the recording function so you can see on the screen exactly what I'm doing step by step. This will provide a clear visual guide to accompany my explanation. Next, I'm going into the menu with a double press of the button. I'm entering shooting mode. I'm selecting. I don't like the reticle. I'll probably choose a different one for myself. Another one. I'm choosing reticles. For instance, I personally find this reticle to be quite appealing and attractive due to its inherent simplicity and straightforwardness. I genuinely like it a lot and appreciate its design. It is not merely that I liked it in the past, but I truly and sincerely like it now as well, and I find it to be quite effective in its purpose. Next, I'm going into the zeroing menu. Zeroed. I'm selecting the distance. It's 25 meters here. I'm selecting the weapon. One, two, three. Star 0, this is the actual sighting. Magnification 1, 0. And here I'll be adjusting X and Y to where I hit. I first aim at the freeze, but I don't press it. so that when I shoot, I can quickly freeze the screen while the silhouette is still warm, so I can understand the point of impact. I'm taking the first shot. I'm aiming at the center of the target. I paused the video to take a closer look at the image. The shadowy figure is positioned directly at the 6 o'clock position, which is directly behind the main subject in the frame. This allows us to analyze the scene more thoroughly. Now I'm moving the pointer along the X and Y axes. I am currently in the process of carefully adjusting the settings on the clock to ensure that the time is precisely set to 6 o'clock. This involves making sure that the hour hand is accurately pointing directly at the number 6 on the clock face, leaving no room for error in the time display. I am in the process of saving the cells at this specific location. Alright? Could you please confirm that this action is acceptable to you and that there are no issues with proceeding in this manner? I am currently logging back into the user profile, just to be absolutely certain that everything is in order. And I am preparing to take the second shot, ensuring that all necessary steps are followed correctly and nothing is overlooked in the process. Now let's see where we hit. With the second round, two rounds. We hit here, the second shot in the center. Did you start? Yes. Now we're going to test the second side. Cover fire system. Let's put in the batteries. Plus, minus. One battery with the positive side up, the other battery with the negative side. Quick latch. That's it. And the second fixation. Additional container. That's it. Do it. I forgot. What were we supposed to do? Are you recording, right? All right, let's go. Dear viewers, we're going to test the cover fire system now. As you can clearly see, I'm wearing an eyepiece specifically and meticulously designed for the Advanced Defender series thermal sight. This eyepiece is connected through a durable cable that is cleverly hidden behind and through the protective helmet. Uniquely and specially made to make viewing things significantly easier. The cable is hidden behind the helmet, and you can clearly see the entire image displayed in this advanced eyepiece. I'm going to start recording right now, so you can watch and see what I see. Now we're going to do a sighting shot with 2 rounds using this eyepiece. I'm entering the menu with a double tap, so I can see everything. I can see everything. It's all displayed for me. I'm going in to reset. I have carefully selected my caliber, precisely chose the distance, and I'm hitting OK right now. Here, as you can clearly see, the X and Y are adjusted accordingly for this specific rifle. I'll reset them now. At this moment, I'm resetting them, so that everything is at 0. By the way, it fits really well. I really like it. You can see the whole screen. Awesome. So, we zeroed it out, right? Carefully loading the magazine with 2 rounds, slowly. 1, 2. And it won't fit in here, right? It will most likely crawl over eventually. Well, maybe sideways. Well, we'll shoot sideways. What should we do? That's right. We'll shoot sideways, in this manner, carefully and precisely, so we keep the reticle. The position is indeed very firm. I'm choosing the starting point 0. Okay? So, as I delve deeper into the details of the sighting itself, I find myself captivated by the intricate nuances and subtle elements that make this experience truly remarkable. It's fascinating to explore the various aspects. Let's just move it down a little bit, perhaps. Like this, right? In the center, looks like it's in the center. I'll set up a rest. In order to maximize the potential to its fullest extent, we need to ensure that every aspect is considered and optimized. Can you see the point where I made contact? It was clearly visible to us, and we observed it closely. By analyzing the situation, we can understand the impact and significance of the action taken. This approach allows us to gain insights and make informed decisions moving forward. The observation was crucial in determining the outcome, and it provided valuable information for future reference. All right, got it. We placed it right in the center. Now, immediately, starting point 0. Well, all right then, okay, I suppose. Did you see the point of impact, right? About, in the video you can, and it was somewhere around 8 to 9 o'clock. We're adjusting. Well, somewhere around here, you know, give or take. Okay, save, you know, stand at 25. We saved the cell. We're done with the sighting. All right, let's try with the second round. A little support. Let's see where we hit. Through the eyepiece. Well, you know, let's blame it on the fact that the sight is perhaps at an angle, the AK. There wasn't a proper support. But give or take, I think you can, in a way, shoot from the eyepiece, more or less. What do you think? If anything, leave it in the comments. Your feedback, suggestions, we're going to correct, add to, and improve our technology. Glory to Ukraine!